be switching numbers, yeah I did. Just another caller, switch it up. They be flipping thumbs up, yeah I know. Bumping like a Roomba. Driving down the west coast. Days like this, the wind in your hair. All I need is here. See your smile when you look at me. I know everything is fine. Keep breathing. Daydreaming, oh, it's just one life. Let's dance around, come closer. Driving down the west coast, we're living every second. I know we can get where we want. The sunset comes some days like this. Driving down the west coast, breathing, feeling the heat of the sun. Your smile keep me on the road, 'cause sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast, driving down the west coast. Can you hear? This is the melody that I made for you. Hold my hand, let's go around the world, sleep under the stars. Keep breathing, oh, daydreaming, oh, it's just one life. Let's dance around, come closer. Driving down the west coast, we're living every second. I know we can get where we want. The sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast, breathing, feeling the heat of the sun. Your smile keep me on
This is called
the road,
Anconi.
'cause sunset comes on days like
Anconi.
Which form by carbonation due to chemical weathering process taking?
Are we together? We are staying together.
Are the rock formations that we shall see hanging on the ceiling of the cave. And the stalagmites are the ones which are growing from the floor of the cave, which later meeting forming what we call the pillars in Georgia. We shall be able to see them inside the first cave. We are going also to visit the Nyakasura Waterfalls, which is 12 meters above the sea level, and its source is on the Rwenzori Mountains as a result of the glaciers.
driving down the west coast, driving down the west coast.
Okay. Oh my gosh. A lot of bending.
That's nothing, yeah?
Oh my gosh. Okay. But where are the guys? They've left us, but I can hear their voices. I wish I could take a selfie video of this, but I'm talking to my vloggers, my vlog. I wish I could take a selfie video of this, but my selfie camera died. Okay, I didn't die. I cracked the screen guard in that exact area. Should have moved with what they call the selfie stick. Nature. Oh.
Days like this, the wind in your hair. All I need is here. See your smile when you look at me. I know everything is fine. Keep breathing. Oh, daydreaming. Oh, it's just one life. Let's dance around. Come closer. Driving down the west coast. We're living every second. I know we can get where we want. The sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast. Breathing. Feeling the heat of the sun. Your smile keep me on the road. The sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast.
So we are done with the waterfall area, but the next area they told us to go is hiking. Kisha. After what happened in Budud. I think I've never told people that story. It can't be me hiking. Cannot be me hiking. I wish I find the guys up there. These are the crater lakes. Do y'all remember your geography? So apparently we are going to that hill over there. There. Apparently those are people right there. Those are people up there. And that's where they want us to go. No, 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 no. No. No.
Can you hear? This is the melody that I made for you. Hold my hand. Let's go around the world. Sleep on.
Remember how I said it can never be me? I said it can never be me, but here I am. I'm going. The view from here, at least, is so nice. That's one crater lake. That's another crater lake. Oh, but oh my, I'm tired. The clouds are saying hi. They're like just right here. I can't, but the view looks so good. The view is so nice, but I can't. I just can't. I'm so unfit. Oh, there are three. Gosh.
Okay. The view is good up there.
Sunset comes on days like this. Driving down the west coast. Breathing. Feeling the heat of the sun. Your smile keep me on the road.
I put 1,000 years later.
Okay, so you're definitely going to need some minced meat. And I have my spices here, my tomato puree or tomato paste, my garam masala, my soy sauce, oregano, some roiko. We have some curry powder there. We have some all-purpose spice. All-purpose spice, I guess you can use mixed spices if you don't have that particular spice. Then, of course, my pasta is over there. There's some HP sauce. You know, it's going to be a basic recipe, but let's go. So I seasoned it with some salt, then some oregano, some all-purpose spice or mixed spice, and set it to boil. Now I don't usually boil my minced meat, but I wanted to try something new. And at the same time, I really needed some beef broth, and this was a perfect opportunity to make some with the minced meat. Now while that was boiling, I went ahead to boil my pasta too with some turmeric spice. So after getting the beef broth, I went ahead and fried the minced meat as I would have done originally. I added in some oil and then went ahead to add in my onions, green pepper, and eventually my tomatoes, which is a step that I don't think I recorded, so you won't see me putting in the tomatoes. I also went ahead and added in my oregano, my garam masala, my curry powder, and some soy sauce. I almost forgot to mention that I did add in the tomato paste and a little bit of beef roiko to thicken the sauce. Let me tell you guys, this tasted better than it looks right now. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. It was amazing. Try my recipe if you will. Never know, you may even have the same exact recipe. That's just me adding in some parsley. The meal was exquisite. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Guys, I'm so excited. I know I just did that. I'm so excited because, as you can see, today I've even allowed you, I've not done a voiceover because I want you to hear how terrible my surrounding is and how much noise is in the background, so that we can test out this microphone live together. Well, not live, but yeah, together, so that we can see exactly if this microphone does what it gotta do. Well, I don't expect it to be a microphone that blocks out all the sound, but at least to make the sound better, to not just pick up every single sound that goes on around me. Like right now, the road is like that side, but I'm sure you can hear the cars right now in the background moving. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the box that it came. It says iPhone for iPhone because I have an iPhone, but I guess it can work also for Type-C because on the side it shows either for iPhone or for Type-C. So whichever type of phone you have, it should be able to work. Yeah, and this is how it looks. So let's open it now. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm so excited because I need better sound. I need better sound in this life. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh my gosh, I have so much malo, that's for sure. So I don't know what this is. I don't know if there are any instructions. And to be honest, I didn't even watch videos on like how to use this microphone, but as you can see, this says what? Ultra low latency. I have no idea what that is. Smart noise cancellation, so I guess it should be cancelling out some noise. Hong Kong working time, I have no idea. I'm not in Hong Kong, I'm in Kampala, Uganda. Kampala, in fact. Sound and picture synchronization, I have no idea what the heck that means. I'm not a tech savvy girl, But yeah, real-time sound reception, I need that. Tiny and portable, I need that. That is exactly why I wanted this microphone. I actually sent out a list on my birthday to my friends, and I was just like, guys, birthday present, just pick through this list. And the girl delivered. I'm so happy. Okay, so this is the microphone. It looks nice. It looks tiny and cute. I guess you clip this onto your shirt or cloth or whatever. I guess this part is where where what? Oh, charging. Yeah, I guess to charge it. I imagine you charge it. I have no idea. Let's see. This, I know this is what enters your phone. You can see this is the iPhone. Do they call this the port? But I think the port is what you enter. That thing that enters the iPhone. I imagine there should be a charger. This sign should be charger. Sure. I don't know how to open you. How to pull you out. Okay. So this is the charger. I guess this and this enters here. Yeah, to charge it. So since it says Hong Kong 10 working 10-hour long. Oh my gosh, why did I read Hong Kong? Do I have a problem with comprehension and reading? It says 10-hour long working time. Okay, that's good. That is good. I like this already. So we are gonna try this real time. I am not sure what happens, what you have to do, if it just connects automatically. I really have no idea because I don't have an actual camera. We need to figure it out. I see it has a power button. Yeah, I think that's clear. Okay, yeah, that's clear. It has a power button, I guess, to switch it on. So I'm gonna connect this on the phone right now. So I'm gonna do like a side by side and we see if the sound is different. Let's go. Okay, let me see, what should I say? Is the sound on? Is the sound better? No, that's cringeworthy. Yo, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Curl and Nikki. I can't hear if the sound is different right now, but I imagine it's different. I don't know if you can hear that noise in the background with that car that's just hooting at the top of its voice right now. The people in the other rooms talking at the top of their voices. I hope you can't hear all that. Guys, oh my gosh. Only God knows how long I have dreamed of this day to actually have good sound. I mean, it's not perfect sound, but it's good. It's better than whatever has been happening in my videos. I know some of you guys were probably watching my videos and wondering, what is that sound? What is that sound in the background? I mean, you'd hear the hens, the roosters, everything. But I'm glad that this is different. Right now, there's someone who is laughing at the top of their voice. I hope you cannot hear that. I hope when I play this back, we can't hear them. I really hope so. But anyway, that marks the end of this video. I don't know if I'm going to add this into my vlog. I may add this in my vlog, or I may do this as a separate video. I don't know. So if this is a separate video of its own, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that you may be alerted every time I post a new video. Guys, I'm not getting my A game on. I have no excuse. I need to be consistent. But if this is a vlog and this is probably in the middle of the vlog, then continue watching. But if this is the end of the vlog, then bye bye.
I'll be switching numbers, yeah I did. Just another caller, switch it up. They be flipping thumbs up, yeah I know. Bumping like a Roomba.